How to enable dark mode on all the websites in your Google Chrome. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are giving you 3 good options in order to do so you can follow out this step-by-step tutorial for that. So first method is we can open up the Chrome browser on your screen, and we can force dark theme on almost all the websites. So for that, in the search you can just go ahead and type in Chrome and type in /flags and hit enter, this one right here, and this experiment space opens up. Now you can search for force dark mode or dark mode option here and find it up. This one, auto dark mode for web contents, and we can just go over and choose the default option and make it enable, and it will do it. It will take some effect. Changes will take time until you relaunch your Chrome. So you can relaunch your Chrome once you do so, and you will be finding the dark mode being applied. You can see directly. This is one of the methods. Apart from that, another method, what we can do is we can just head over and use Chrome extensions. So there are a bunch of extensions available. You can go to Chrome Web Store for that. Hit enter, open it up, and there search for Dark Reader. So type in Dark Reader and find it up, this extension right here. After that, find it up, add to Chrome, and look out for this option called Add Extension. After that, wait for the extension to be added to Chrome, and you can pin it up. You can just go and pin it up. Go to extensions, go ahead and pin this up and open it up, and you can turn it on. You can select dark mode here and turn it on for the website. It works on almost all the website. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, and sepia and turn on or off per website. Apart from that, another thing we can do is we can use our settings to go to Windows plus I and go to personalization. After that, go ahead and look out for colors option and look out for mode and choose the dark mode here and apply it up, and that should work out for you. And that's it. Those 3 are probably the method you can follow up if you'd like to apply the dark mode on your Chrome. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.